Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am winterizing my plants, so I brought them in. June plum. I bought this one right here, and they said it was hot plum, but it looked like June plum to me. Okay, and I got the ginger. This is why I had to bring them in, because it gets cold in the morning time. This is the apple tree. Those are the guinea seeds that I plant. This is the cherry, but you know, it'll come back. The pine. And over here is the soursop. You got the Bombay mango tree here. Pimento. This is a new addition. This is the pomegranate. This is another new addition. I start from seed. This is the papaya. Over here is the good old aloe. Y'all should remember this one. Over here is the avocado, aka the pear tree. And over here, for some reason, the Julie mango not doing all that, but it's hanging in there. Back over here is the jackfruit tree. You see how tall it is? And over here, in this pot right here, is the East Indian mango, which is doing real good. Doing real good. So this is my little indoor sanctuary. I bring them in every winter. I made this. I just section off a part of the basement, you know, make it into a little greenhouse. And that's what it looks like. With the June plum, this is the second year I'm getting June plum from it. And these, like I said, I bought it. It's supposed to be hot plum, but like I said, it looks like June plum to me. So I have 2 June plum trees. This is it. This is my indoor sanctuary. This is what I love to do. I'm gonna try see how this papaya tree is gonna react to indoors. It's supposed to be the miniature papaya tree. It's sure growing tall to me. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated on my little winter garden. Thank you.